Hello friends, welcome to Embedded Gate. In this video, I am going to show you how to control 8 LED using ESP8266. This is ESP8266 basic module. This module have only 2 GPIO pins. We can control more than 2 GPIO using this ESP8266. We have to use port expander. This is port expander MCP23017. With the help of this port expander, we can control up to 16 GPIOs. This video is divided into 4 sections. First is create ThingSpeak server. Second, design mobile app and install. Third, write Arduino code and upload into IC. And last, design circuit. Let's start with the ThingSpeak server. Open Google Chrome. Search for thingspeak.com. If you don't have account, then create first. I have already account. Write user ID and password. Click sign in option. Select new channel. Assign any name. I am going to assign control LED. Check on box field 1 to field 8. And save channel. ThingSpeak server is ready. Next part is create mobile app. Select new tab. Search for MIT App Inventor. Open App Inventor 2. Select create app. Select your account. Click on start new project. Assign name. Press OK. From layout, select horizontal arrangement. Change setting. Change width to fill parent. From user interface, select button 1 and button 2. Select button 1, change settings, width, fill parent, press OK. Change text to bold. Change text to LED 1. Change background color. Change background color to green. Do same changes for button 2. Change background color to red. Green is for on and red is for off. Change text to LED 1. Do same procedure for rest of the switch. Now from connectivity, select web. Half part is done. Click on blocks. From button, select button 1 dot click. Now from web, select set URL to. attach here. Same from web, select web1.get. From text, select empty string. From ThingSpeak server, copy URL. Paste here. Change field 1 value to 1. Make a copy of button 1. Change button 1 to button 2. Change field 1 value from 1 to 0. Do same procedure for button 3. Make a copy of button 1. Change button 1 to button 3. Change field 1 to field 2. Do same procedure for button 4. Copy button 2 dot click. Change button 2 to button 4. Change field 1 to field 2. Now make same changes for rest of the switches. Take a reference of this diagram. You can download this diagram from description. Now from build, download the app. Save file on your computer. I am going to save on desktop. Save. Mobile app is ready. Move this file into your mobile. Copy. Connect mobile with the help of USB. And paste in any folder. Install app in your mobile. You can see same app on your mobile. Mobile app is ready. Now next part is to write ESP code. Open Arduino IDE. From file, create new file, close previous one, save, assign any name, and save. From video description, download the code, select all, copy, and paste. You have to make few changes before upload the code. First, from ThingSpeak server, copy channel ID, select API keys, copy channel ID, select channel ID and paste, Ctrl V. Same, copy read API key, paste here, Ctrl V. This is a bit programming used to convert input bit into byte. Next, write Wi-Fi name and password. This function is used to transfer data to port expander IC. Byte A receive data in 8-bit format and transfer that data to port A. In void loop function, I'm going to read all feed values and transfer that value to LED blink port A function. And according to that, port A will reflect the result. This is the circuit of ESP8266. I am going to explain this circuit after few seconds. First, upload the code. Connect USB. Short GPIO 0 pin while programming. From tools, select board, generic ESP8266. Select COM port, in my case COM12. Upload the code. This is the circuit diagram of our circuit. With the help of Zero PCB, I have built this circuit. connect MCP2317 port expander. Now connect ESP8266. This is CP2102 programmer. Circuit is ready. With the help of breadboard, make this connection. Open the app. LED 1 is on. Just turn off. LED 1 will turn off. Now you can turn on and off any LED using this app. If you are using free ThingSpeak server, then there is a delay of 10 to 15 seconds while turn on and turn off LED. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.